transforming traditional retail into smart retail. We are a company with over 20 years of experience in the development, design, manufacture, and installation of displays, furniture, exhibition, and technology for commercial spaces and modern points of sale. We combine creativity, innovation, and technology to create visually stunning and functional display systems that enhance the shopping experience. In our manufacturing plant, equipped with advanced machinery, we design solutions with high standards of quality and durability. We support our clients from start to finish in the development process and up to the implementation of their projects. We integrate the latest technology into smart displays. Our solutions are revolutionizing the shopping experience at the point of sale. Take your brand to the next level with Boomerang Plus. We bring the future of retail to your fingertips with real-time data analysis, helping you to understand the shopper's behavior. Enhance the impact of your exhibits with customized digital displays, projecting dynamic content, videos, targeted promotions, and interactive experiences that capture your customers' attention and boost your sales. We are the most internationally awarded Mexican company in the industry, thanks to our manufacturing facilities, production capacity, international reach, creativity, and innovation. Boomerang, transforming traditional retail into smart retail.